Welcome to this Fabricville tutorial. Today I'm going to show you 3 methods to sew lace seams. First, I'll show you a French seam. I lay the pieces with the wrong sides facing together and I stitch close to the edge. I trim the seam allowances. Then I lay the pieces with the right sides facing together and I stitch close to the first seam. This method is perfect to sew with sheer fabric in order to avoid serging. If the lace is lined with another fabric, we can catch the lace between 2 pieces of fabric. I lay the wrong side of the lace on the right side of the fabric, then I lay the 4 layers together with the right sides facing and I stitch. And here is another method which is slightly longer, but which makes the seam invisible. First, I baste the finished lines. Then, instead of adding simple seam allowances, I cut along the lace motifs. I align the basted lines. Then I stitch along the lace motifs by hand or with a sewing machine. Now I flip the lace to the wrong side and I'm going to cut the underneath lace layer close to the stitching. I can now remove the basting thread. And this is it for these 3 ways to sew seams with lace. Thanks for watching.